right there. Well, we arrived here at Billings Lake. It's windy out here. That wind chill, man. It's nippy. So, we're going to try for a little while, so we're not going to stay out here. I don't want to be exposed out here. It's pretty cold. Stand in it for long enough. Just a short ways from the truck. So this is Billings Lake. Never been here. Always seen it on the map and always wondered about it. Yay, we hooked up a trout. I don't want to tell her to get wet. No, Teddy. Nice little, let me get my hand wet. Oh, man. A 10-inch cutthroat. Yay. This marshy area around the lake. So I've got a bunch of hoof prints down up in it. And it smells like elk poop. Well, so far just that one little cut. That's it. Shoreline's shallow. There's a lot of weed right along it. Billings Lake, elevation 11,701 feet. Woohoo! It's nice up here. Bet it'd be good fishing in the summer. Well, we're going to finish fishing the rest of the shoreline. See if we can't catch another trout. Well, we made one complete loop around the lake. And it's just a big shallow shelf around it. You'd have to use waders to get out there. But at least we caught that one trout. That's alright. Another one fish day. But at least we had beautiful surroundings and we had a good time out here anyway, so yay. We're heading up back to the truck and then we're going to head down the road to North Fork Reservoir.